We're going to take our thumbs and our hands and do this. Everybody do this. And this is the technique, how you lay your hands like this onto the body drum. I brought the Doumbek. I've been really crazy about this remote ergonomic Doumbek because I found a strap for it on the internet. This has totally changed my work because now I can actually wear the Doumbek. Let's try to see if we can show you this. You can actually now wear this, right? So I can rotate around the room. So again, we have this bass. If you have a body drum, it might be a tubano or a djembe, you can practice this, a festival djembe, a not so loud drum, whatever it is. I know there's a delay. Drumming on the internet is really hard, but I'm just going to demonstrate it. Trust that you can jump in. And that's the tone or the top. You really hear that on the Doumbek. The Doumbek is named that because of the doom and the back. Doom, back, doom, back. So if you were creating, hi, I'm up tall and I'm getting down here to talk to you all. The application for me of the Doumbek is that I want to create the groove. I want to create a pattern that's easy enough for people to jump in on, right? The wrong way to do this in a therapeutic application would be to go, okay, everyone, join me. You know, no, we want to create a pattern with space. I like the space on the end of the 4-beat phrase. Something like that. What I think doesn't help is when people just go, you know, come on, join me. Like, really, where do I get in, right?
Much space.
So you can really hear how that low and high is the main thing I want you to get out of this webinar. How you can really use that. And I've been looking at what's the difference between that high sound and low sound. I believe the high sound on a syncopation awakens people. I believe the low sound on the downbeat grounds people. So if I'm in a schizophrenic population or, you know, an anxiety or hyperactivity group, I might play more bass. For the depressed group, I want to wake people up a little more with wellness applications a lot. It's about the consistency. You don't want to be, you know, playing it inconsistent. You want a steady beat. It's very symbolic. You are the steady voice for the patients, right? For the clients.